why reading is important.
Welcome to our channel. Are you looking to improve your English skills? In this video, we'll explore the importance of reading in enhancing your English language abilities.
Section 1. Vocabulary expansion. Reading exposes you to a vast range of vocabulary, phrases, and idioms. As you read, you'll encounter new words in context, helping you understand their meanings and usage. Section 2. Improved comprehension. Reading enhances your comprehension skills, allowing you to grasp complex ideas, narratives, and arguments. This, in turn, boosts your ability to understand spoken English. Section 3. Grammar and sentence structure. Through reading, you'll develop a sense of grammar and sentence structure, enabling you to construct coherent sentences and communicate effectively. Section 4. Enhance critical thinking. Reading stimulates critical thinking, encouraging you to analyze, evaluate, and interpret information. This skill is essential for academic, professional, and personal growth. Section 5. Better pronunciation. Reading aloud helps you practice pronunciation, intonation, and fluency. This improves your speaking skills, making you a more confident communicator. Conclusion. In conclusion, reading is a powerful tool for improving your English skills. By incorporating reading into your daily routine, you'll unlock a world of vocabulary, comprehension, grammar, critical thinking, and pronunciation. So, pick up a book, article, or any material that interests you and start reading your way to English fluency. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to discuss, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more language learning tips and tricks.